The second thing, obviously, we want to optimize for, or we want to kind of manage around is the under-provisioned workload. So this is those scenarios that Reed might have mentioned at the very early stage of many organizations adopting Kubernetes is when they're not sending requests and you find, or maybe they're setting the requests very low. The pods are starting up. They look like they're stable, but then the load changes, usage changes, and we never really revisit them. We never really right size them. And then so all these pods run the risk of contention on the node, depending on the node they're on, et cetera. And so we have all these performance and risk, performance and availability risks in
And this,
these
of
types of
course,
scenarios.
and what the
Yes.
risks are depends on basically how limits are set. That thing I said wasn't important because if there aren't limits or limits are high, you can potentially burst over if there's capacity. But if limits are actually set like at request, if it's a guaranteed quality service pod, then if the utilization hits that line, it's either going to get throttled, flatline until it doesn't need their work anymore for CPU, or it's going to crash, run out of memory.